Aviation relies on the scarce resource that is airspace to ensure that passengers, businesses, the military and leisure flyers enjoy the many benefits aviation brings. In the future, airspace will also need to accommodate other users. The basic structure of the UK's airspace was developed over 40 years ago. Since then, there have been huge changes, including a 100-fold increase in demand for aviation. And this outdated system does not use the shortest and most efficient routes available. Throughout Europe, there is a move to simplify and harmonise the way airspace and air traffic control is used through the Single European Sky project. In the UK and Ireland, we're meeting those and other issues through the Future Airspace Strategy, FAS, which sets out a plan to modernise airspace. So, what will the future under FAS look like? This aircraft is en route in the cruise at optimum height on a direct route to its destination. Although it left a little late, the direct routing, new technology and better liaison throughout the air traffic control system means that it will arrive on time, and generally arrival times are more predictable. Throughout the journey, air traffic controllers are managing the progress of this flight, along with many others, to prevent aircraft bunching and being delayed at their destinations. As well as benefiting passengers, this also reduces the noise and CO2 impact for everyone else. The current system relies on outdated ground-based radio navigation aids. This requires a broad flight corridor, creating inefficient flight paths. Using satellite guidance, the aircraft flies a much more accurate path. The investment in this higher precision system, known as Performance-Based Navigation or PBN, allows the UK's complicated, busy airspace to be fundamentally redesigned, enhancing safety and increasing capacity and efficiency. Many aircraft are already fitted with PBN-compatible systems, but some will need to be upgraded. In addition, airports will have to introduce new routes. With the FAST system, airlines, airports and air traffic control share more useful data, collated by a network manager, making it easier for everyone to know what's happening. For example, bad weather has changed the planned schedule, requiring last-minute changes. In the future, air traffic control and the airport team awaiting a flight will know well in advance that its arrival details have changed, so they can set to work on another flight that's arriving first. Accurate information about when aircraft are planning to depart is valuable to get the maximum use of scarce runway capacity. Air traffic control uses it to plan how the airspace will be used over the next few minutes and hours. And baggage handlers and caterers use it to manage their workload and make sure they are not the reason for a delay. FAS will redesign standard departure routes, allowing aircraft to make maximum use of their climb performance, getting higher quicker and reaching efficient high cruise altitudes much faster. This reduces fuel burn and frees up low-level airspace for arrivals. Currently, aircraft use a complicated set of routes that can mean them flying more miles than they need to. Under the simplified structure of FAS, aircraft can integrate into the air traffic control system with fewer changes and more direct routes. This saves on fuel and therefore cost to the airlines and the environment in CO2. To achieve its potential, FAS needs action from the whole aviation industry. That needs to start now and stay joined up as changes are made. Passengers, the wider public, national and European governments demand these improvements. But without action and collaboration, the benefits of FAS may be jeopardised.